The town of Bradley is going to rebuild, resurface, ditch, whatever, the Deer Lake Road East loop this coming spring. So they've been busy since late fall brushing back the road, and in the last couple of weeks taking down some awfully big trees. I'm going to take a little run around the loop here and I'll show you what I mean. Not too much on the front side here, not too much on the Deer Lake Road side of things. Too much. It's most of the big timber's coming down on the Deer Lake Road east side of the project, which is towards the back side of our house here. You can see some of the timber stacked up there. See some big piles here. Now what they did was they sent all of the landowners here, myself included, a letter and wanted to know if we wanted to claim any of this timber, or if we just sign off on it. I'm assuming that they've got a buyer for it. But look, some of the stuff is just huge. The smaller ones came down pretty easy, but the taller ones, some of these were like 100-footers easily. They brought in a logger with a boom truck who got up to the top and took a few limbs off, and then topped the tree. And then they had a little dozer that they'd plow the tops into a pile and start them up on fire, burn them, and then they dropped these things, and the house would literally shake when these things came down. This is the back side of our house. Here you can see what they've taken right behind us here. It's pretty good sized trees here. I'm pretty sure this is going to have an effect on how shady this road is in the summer. You can see the size of these darn things. And it gets thins out a little bit from here up to the top of the loop. See, those guys have been pretty busy. Pile's still smoldering a little bit there. This same loop is my daily walk. I will walk it, make 2 laps. It's exactly a mile. 1 lap is exactly a mile from my driveway back to my driveway, so I walk it twice. You can see the ice shacks out on Deer Lake down below there. And not too much timber in this section here. Oh, we got a couple huge ones here. Size of those. took some of the smaller stuff late in the fall. You know, stuff you could probably get your hand around, both hands around easily. And piled that up back by our fire pit, coming around to the front of my house here again. This again would be wood that I would be entitled to. Some of these piles are back there. There you have it. Here's a tour of the Deer Lake Road loop. Back at the homestead again. And here we are. Okay. Hope you enjoyed that little tour. Bye.